Here we go.
Welcome back. So, you want to be a popular pixel artist so you can sell your crappy NFTs, huh? I'm just kidding. The first thing you need to do is send your fans somewhere. Make a Twitter, please. It's about time if you haven't. And then you can follow me on Twitter at Peter Milko. You could try building a fan base on other sites like Instagram and Facebook, but honestly, I think you should focus on one. And the reason why I don't recommend Instagram is because you simply cannot go viral as easily. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's also Peter Milko. The reason why you want to be posting on Twitter all the time is because you can go viral with retweets. Look at this, almost 5,000 retweets. That's 5,000 more people that saw this than if the retweet button didn't exist. By the way, Concerned Ape is the creator of Stardew Valley, now working on Haunted Chocolatier. And look at this, 657,000 followers. There are plenty of fans for you to get on Twitter. That's insane. And the awesome thing about Twitter is that there are pixel artists and game developers on here, and people who are into NFTs. I follow a ton of pixel artists and game developers on Twitter, and you should too. Make sure that your feed is a bunch of stuff that inspires you. Don't follow bullshit, right? Like, don't ruin your Twitter feed or your Facebook feed by following bullshit. Or you know what? Like, have a separate account for that stuff. A good way to start getting fans on Twitter is literally comment on people's art and tell them it's awesome, and then they'll come and look at your art. And retweet whenever you can, and add a comment or tag the person, because we can all help each other out. So two pixel art groups you should join is Pixel Art and Pixel Art Plus. Pixel Art Plus has almost 130,000 members. Post your artwork in here, people will give you feedback, and also comment on other people's art. Would love to play this as a game. Okay, so next you're gonna join our Pixel Art. Go to Reddit, make a profile, and you're gonna join Pixel Art as well as Pixel Art Tutorials. These two groups are gonna help you learn. Oh, hey, look, there's my video. They're gonna help you learn, and also posting here can help you grow. Another pixel art community is Pixel Joint. There's a ton of art on here. It is a little bit harder to go like viral on here or promote your work on here. However, they do have a Discord where you can talk with other pixel artists and quickly and easily get feedback on your art. Since we're talking about Discord servers, I might as well tell you about mine. It's called Half Human Games, and there's a section here called Art Critiques where people are posting art and talking about it. The community is growing, and it's a lot of people from the channel, so you'll find people that watch these videos. If you support me on Patreon for just $1, you get access to a Discord where you can get personal critiques from me. Another pixel art community is Pixelation. The cool thing about this one is it kind of works like a forum, but there's job offers here as well. So you could find people who are willing to pay you to do some pixel art. A new growing community is Pixel Art. This site is really cool because they have competitions, they have groups, challenges, contests, palettes. There are so many resources here, and it's growing really fast, but I think it's really well designed for you to just excel as a pixel artist. So for example, if I go to palettes here, check this out. This is a resource that everybody wants, and you can upload your own palettes on here too. Right now, Pixel Art is hosting a contest where you can win a prize. In the future, if I create pixel art contests, I'm probably going to use this website because I'm really tempted to create one actually right now. And then in the top right corner here, you can see it says Start Drawing. Yup, this website is also a full pixel art program. Super quick, I just want to show you that in the top left corner, you can watch tutorials, enter contests from here, and they also have a mobile app. You can make requests for specific art. So for example, check this out. An anime dog and cat outside fighting. That's so specific. But you can start drawing a person's request. So if you need a piece of art that you might have a hard time drawing for your game or whatever, you can make a request on this site. Another cool thing you can do is draw together. You can create a room. You can have a password or no password, but basically you can draw with people like your friends. So I'm just going to hop in a room here to show you guys, and check this out. There's people in here drawing. So you can draw really cool stuff like a sword. There's a shop button at the bottom here, and it's not just a store where you can buy stuff, but you can actually sell your own pixel art, your own art on different things like t-shirts, hats, or whatever. This site really does have it all. It's a site that I would love to see blow up because it functions so well. So a site you probably wouldn't expect, but I think is totally worth it, is Pinterest. Because on Pinterest, You can, instead of saving stuff like inspirations and references on Google Drive or on your computer, you should be uploading them and saving them into boards on Pinterest. I have a pixel characters board, so when I'm gonna draw a pixel art character, I can just scroll through here and get a bunch of inspirations. And it's also a good way to get discovered as well, because you can have these link to a game, or you can have it linked to your profile. You can have it linked to different stuff. Oh dang, I didn't know that's what I was gonna get myself into. And if you're too lazy to make your own boards, just follow me on Pinterest and, you know, look at my boards. Okay, so to wrap it up, when you finish a piece of artwork, upload it to several sites and try to send traffic to one place. I think the best place to send traffic to is your Twitter, because retweeting could get you to go viral on there. But don't just upload to Twitter. You need the other communities to bring traffic to your Twitter. You get it? Now follow me on Twitter, subscribe, and if you're new here, I teach pixel art on my channel. By the way, I'm also a game developer. I'm making a tower defense dungeon crawler RPG, which you can wishlist on Steam now. I'll see you guys next week. A Dev Life!
Bye-bye.